Now this is the third question asked by UGC in 2006 December exam. In this question they are saying if a change in price gives us different values of elasticity for a rise and fall in price we are then using. So in the options we have this point method, arc method, total outlay, total expenditure. You see, in my knowledge, these two methods are one of the same thing. These are the similar things, similar methods, but these two methods are definitely different from this total expenditure method. So, as far as point method is concerned, in Indian textbooks, point method refers to geometric method. But in authors like Mankey and Taylor book, if you ever read that book, Mankey and Taylor, you will find this point method as percentage method only. Although in geometric method the formula is same. The geometric method formula in the geometric method we use the same formula in a different way, in a geometric form. But in the point method, which is as per Mankey and Taylor book, the point method says ED is equal to this PED, price elasticity of demand. This is basically percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price. And again, how do we find out percentage change? It's percentage change in quantity. We take change in quantity, this is absolute change, upon we take initial value. This Q is basically initial value of Q. Multiplied by 100. Similarly, percentage change in price is equal to change in price, absolute means absolute change, upon initial price multiplied by 100. Now in question they are asking if a change in price gives us different values. Change in price means, let's say for example, at a price rupees 5, quantity demanded, it's let's say 100 units. When price increases to rupees 6 per unit, this quantity demanded decreases to let's say 80 units. Now for this question, if you apply point method, what will you do? You will take absolute change in quantity like 80 minus 100, which is minus 20, upon initial value of quantity, which is 100, multiplied by 100. This is percentage change in quantity, and you will divide this by percentage change in price, which is absolute change 1, 6 minus 5 1, divided by initial price, which is 5, and multiply by 100. Now the answer you will get from this process will be different from the answer if you take 80 instead of 100. If you take the new quantity, which is 100 units, 80 units, the new quantity, and instead of initial price, if you take the new price, which is 6, then you will get a different answer. Now how to overcome this problem? To get rid of this problem, we divide the absolute change of quantity ED is equal to delta Q. We divide delta Q by the average of quantities, which is Q2 plus Q1 upon 2, then multiplied by 100, and this is percentage change in quantity. Now you divide the entire thing by the same percentage change in price but again you divide the absolute change in price by the average of price, 2 multiplied by 100. So this formula is called, this method is called either arc method or midpoint method. So the answer is B, arc method, midpoint method. When price sorry, if a change in price gives us different values of elasticity for a rise or fall in price, we use arc method instead of point method or expenditure method. In my another video I'll explain you what is expenditure method. So this is the answer of this question. Thank you.